Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see some more questions based on perimeter for year 4 students. Let's get started. Questions based on perimeter. Aarav walked one round along the edge of a rectangular garden. How far did he walk? It's a rectangular garden, so this is the rectangle for you, and they have given you the dimensions also. The length is 10 meter and the breadth is 8 meters. I need to calculate the distance. How much did he walk along the edge? So this is your edge. I need to calculate all the dimensions which are missing in the rectangle. We know that this side of the rectangle is the same as this side of the rectangle. So if this is 10 meters, this is also 10 meters. Let's write down 10 meter here. This is the breadth, which is 8 meters. So this is also the same, which is 8 meters. Let's write down 8 meters here. I need to calculate the distance. I need to add all the distance of the perimeter. Let's add it. So it will be 10 plus 8 plus 10 plus 8. If I add it, that will be equal to 10 plus 10 is 20. 8 plus 8 is 16. If I add 20 plus 16, that will be 36 meters. That will be your answer. That means he walked 36 meters. Let's see one more example. Mr. Tan has a rectangular vegetable garden. He wants to build a fence around his garden. What length of fencing does he need for his garden? As we know that we put the fence on the corner of the rectangular field. This is your rectangular garden. They have given you the dimensions also. The length is 30 meters and the breadth is 18 meters. I need to put a fence. That means I need to put a fence along the corner of this rectangular field. I need to calculate the lengths of the missing sides. If this is 30 meters, this is also 30 meter. Let's write down here 30 meter. If this is 18 meters, this one is also 18 meters. Let's write down. This is also 18 meters. If I need to calculate the fence, how much fence I am using, I need to calculate the perimeter of this rectangular field. Let's add all the dimensions first. So it will be 30 plus 18 plus 30 plus 18. If I add it, 30 plus 30 is 60. 18 plus 18 is 36. If I add 60 plus 36, that will be equal to 96 meter. That means he needs 96 meters of fence to put on the rectangular garden. Let's see one more example. Oliver has 4 square cardboard pieces. He placed them side by side to make a rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? This is the square you have and the side is 6 centimeter. Because this is a square, all the sides are 6 centimeter. So this type of square, you have 4 squares and you are joining these 4 squares like this. If I join it and I made a rectangle out of that. You need to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. For that, I need to write down the dimension of this rectangle. I know that this is made up of one small square and the square side is 6 centimeter. Let's write down all the dimensions first here. So this will be 6 centimeter. This one also 6 centimeter. This one also 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter and so on. These all are 6 centimeters. I need to calculate the perimeter. What I need to do? I need to add all the dimensions here. Let's add all of them. How many times that 6 is appearing? Can we calculate that first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 times. 6 is coming 10 times. Let's add 6 10 times. 6 plus 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 6, 9 and 10 times. I added 6 10 times. If I add all of them, my answer will be equal to 60 centimeter. There's one more way to do it. You have added 6 10 times. That means you can do that 6 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 60 centimeter will be your perimeter of the rectangle. Let's see one more example. Square A has a side of 6 meters. Square B is made up of 4 square A's. Find the perimeter of the square B. You have a square A of the side 6 meters. Such 4 squares you have, and you are making a square B while joining these 4 squares. You need to calculate the perimeter of this square B. To calculate the perimeter of square B, I need to write down all the dimensions of the perimeter, because this one small piece is a square of 6 meters. That means this edge is 6 meters. This edge is also 6 meters because this is again a small square. Let's write down all the dimensions first here. This will be 6 meters, 6 meters, 6 meters. This one is also 6 meter, 6 meter, 6 meters, 6 meters and 6 meters. How many times I have written 6? Can we calculate that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times we have written that. If I need to calculate the perimeter of this one, I need to add 6 8 times. Let's add it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 times. I have written 6 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. If I add all of them 6 8 times, my answer will be equal to 48 meters. Or this will be written as, I am adding 6 8 times. So this will be written as 6 times 8, which will be equal to 48 meters. That will be your perimeter of square B. Let's see one more example. Rectangle Q is made up of 3 rectangular P's. Find the perimeter of rectangle Q. You have the rectangle P and the dimensions are, the length is 10 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. So this is also 10 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. You have 3 such rectangular pieces and you are joining in such a way that you are making a rectangular Q like this. I need to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. To calculate the perimeter of this rectangle, I need to write down all the dimensions first. You know that this is a rectangular piece and the breadth is 5 and the length is 10. Where's the breadth? Breadth is here. That means this is 5. Where's the length? Length is here, which is 10. This is also the same rectangle where the length is 10 and the breadth is 5. The same rectangle is here also. The breadth is 5 and the length is 10. Let's write down all the dimensions here first. So this will be 5 centimeter. This will be 10 centimeter. This will be 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. This will be 10 centimeter. 5 centimeter. And 10 centimeter. To calculate the perimeter of this rectangle Q, I need to add my dimensions. Let's add all the dimensions here. It will be 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. Did I add all of them? 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. I need to add all of them. Let's add it. So 10 is adding 3 times. So it will be 30. 5 is adding 2 times, which is 10. 5 is adding 2 times, it is 10. 30 plus 10 plus 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. Let's write down answer here. This will be 50 centimeter will be the perimeter of rectangle Q. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.